Good morning. It's a really cold morning. We had a few minus degrees during the night, and now it's just around 0. The frost has left the boat. I can't see much on the boat any longer, so it must be just above 0. I had to put on almost everything I had, and still I was a bit cold. So starting from inside out, I have double wool underwear, socks, pants, sweater, everything wool underwear, double layers. On top of that, I had to put on my outdoor ski jacket, and then I have one sleeping bag rated for -10 and another summer sleeping bag on the outside of that rated for, I think, 0 something, and of course a hat on the head, and still it was really cold. I found this calm bay here behind the trees from the wind blowing from the north. It's been a bit noisy here because I think we have some wild pigs in the forest behind me. At least there was a lot of tracks from them yesterday when I came here. My plan for today is to sail north into the wind to explore this Kagghamra Bay. Yes, it's snow in the air. I think a reefed main will be the right to start with. Yeah, it's a bit cold, but if I put up the hoodie, I get a little bit protection from the wind. Look what a nice beach. The winds are really unpredictable here. It's blowing from the north, but locally here it's actually blowing from the southwest. So I think I had to take to the oars to move forward. I managed to get by this strait here and around the horn. So now I'm on the other side of this ridge here. It's some left over from the ice age, I think. When the ice retreated, sometimes it stopped for several years, and then it dropped a lot of sand and stones at the edge of the ice, and thus these ridges were formed. almost drifting onto the shore. So I might have to do a tack here. Or not. So I will have to do a tack before this horn here. I think might be possible to go by. It's so wavy also, so that pushes me further. Maybe I will take it to the oar instead. That could go. Almost reached the end of this bay. Can't sail any further. It ends here. Now it's blowing even more. Wind is supposed to increase, but only in the afternoon. But now it's really wavy. Yeah, we have some wind again. It's the worst kind of wind. Northerly, gusty wind. On this side of the ridge it's brighter.